Traffic source creation. Go to the Traffic Sources section in the main menu. Next, click Create Traffic Source. Please note, the tracker already includes more than 100 ready-made traffic source templates, so in most cases you can simply select the required option. To do this, click Choose from Templates. In the open window, select the required source, for example Traffic Hunt, and click Submit. After that, all fields will be filled in automatically, which significantly speeds up the process and does not require manual configuration. Save the source. Now let's move on to creating a traffic source manually. Let's review all fields using an example. First, fill in the traffic source name field, for example, test. This is a required field. Here you specify the source name so that you can easily find it in the system and view statistics later. The next field is track impressions. This setting is optional. Thanks to this feature, you can track not only visits but also impressions, as well as use the CPM cost model. To track impressions, you need to place the impression pixel on the traffic source side. Please note that not all traffic sources support this feature. Next is the S2S postback URL field. It should be filled in if you plan to send conversion information back to the traffic source, and only if the source supports S2S postback. Here, you place the traffic source postback template that needs to be configured. When sending a request to this URL, AdsBridge transfers conversion data. The final link is generated inside AdsBridge, so it is important to use our macros. You can see them by placing the cursor in the input field. Now let's move to advanced settings. The tracking ID parameter is used to transfer the unique click identifier of the traffic source. If you plan to send conversions back to the source, this setting is required. Here you need to specify the parameter name, the name under which the parameter will appear in the campaign link. For example, click_ID, and the value. The traffic source macro is used as the value, which will be replaced with the unique click ID. Contact your traffic source to clarify which macro they use for passing the click ID. Next is the cost field. This parameter allows you to receive the dynamic cost value of each click and use it for cost calculations. For example, as the name we specify cost, and as the value, cost in curly brackets. Please note that not all sources support cost transfer, and using this feature is not mandatory. The next step is setting up tokens. These are internal traffic source parameters that can be added to the campaign link and used to pass additional traffic data to AdsBridge. For each token, you need to specify the parameter name under which it will appear in the campaign link, and the value. Traffic source macros are used as values, which are replaced with real data during the visit. For example, tokens may look like this: campaign_ID equals campaign ID in curly brackets, source equals source. There are two types of tokens, primary and additional. 9 primary tokens will be displayed in statistics and can also be passed to the offer side. Additional tokens can be created in unlimited quantities. They are not stored in the tracker statistics, but can still be passed further to the offer side. After filling in all fields, check the settings and save the source. All created traffic sources are displayed in the corresponding section of the system.